Hello, Ego family. It's Mother Ego here. How is everybody doing? Okay, I got a question from one of our Ego members, and they've been saving for almost 1 year. And every week they put something into their savings account. Oh my God, that is awesome, especially knowing that you're starting to learn a habit. But the question was, what do I do now? And this is where the magic really starts, because the whole point of saving is you have to have a goal, first of all, why you're saving. Part of your savings can be meant for an emergency fund, for those things that come up every so often. But the main thing of the savings account is or of that money you're saving is to invest it in something that grows. This is money that you want it to work for you, and this is where the real magic happens, when money is working for you. So you can put it in some kind of investment vehicle. There are many types of investments depending on your needs, and it's advisable to seek out a local investment banker in your area to get some ideas, because there is short-term investments, something that's not over a year. If you need to use your money within a year, it's okay to put it maybe something in a CD, which is at a certificate of deposit. The interest may be a bit little, but there's still interest. Many banks have savings accounts that give interest. I know here in my local area, my God, the interest on the savings account is so little, it doesn't even make sense. But the whole point is to put away your money, and it's far enough for you not to just get it and use it every time something small comes in. But again, it's liquid enough that if you need it, you can quickly withdraw it. And there is also the long-term savings. It can be something long-term investment, something if you're planning for your retirement and you don't plan to touch your money for years and years. There are vehicles of that nature. So this can be stocks and bonds and things of that nature. There are also other alternatives of investment. It can be construction, it can be investing it in a small business project, which the whole point is, let your money be growing and working for you. If you can walk around with that mindset, you'll start to see opportunities that will allow you to grow your money and multiply it. Yes, because there's not enough time to be working, to accumulate money, because at some point when you're in your 60s, you won't have the energy and strength to work as hard. But you would like your funds that you've saved over the years to be working for you. And that is the mindset you need to carry around. So as you put away money, you have to be thinking, okay, what kind of investment vehicle is best for me and my situation, and helping me to multiply this money so that it can continue working on my behalf when I'm not there, So I encourage you to seek advice in your local area to see what kind of tools are available for you and what type of vehicles you can put your monies for now, because you don't want the money to be seated and redundant. No, that's not the idea. The idea is to have the money growing on your behalf. All right, this is Mother Ego. Talk to you soon. Bye.